Here in Mission Control, we have the undocking command has been reported here. The mechanism on the Progress 55 has been powered up. We're now getting a look from the external camera from the Progress, looking directly at the undocking port. They're on their piers. Docking compartment of this Zvezda service module as we pass over Russian ground station now.
Information from MC Moscow to ISS crew for Alexander. We have sent the command to open the hatches, to open the hooks of the Progress docking mechanism.
And as reported, we have a physical separation. Undocking occurred here on time at 4:44 p.m. Central Time, just as the two vehicles came across. Undocking had occurred as the two vehicles crossed over Central Asia. Again, undocking occurred on time as scheduled at 4:44 p.m. Central Time. About 3 minutes after separation here, in just about a minute, the Progress thrusters will fire in a separation burn. For about 15 seconds to create a change on the Progress velocity by 0.71 meters per second and begin an opening rate that will allow the Progress to back away slowly and safely from the space station, where it will then park in orbit for a series of engineering tests by ground controllers before being sent into its destructive reentry over the Pacific Ocean on July 31st.
For Alexander, we have currently undocked, and we're bringing Progress away from the station.
For those of you joining us now, we're getting a live view from the external cameras of the two vehicles, Space Station and Progress 55, as the two slowly drift apart. The separation burn has been initiated. And shown here in this view, Progress slowly backs away from the International Space Station. Progress 55 that we see here in view had brought to the station 2.5 tons of food, fuel, and supplies. That included 1,764 pounds of propellant, 115 pounds of oxygen and air, 926 pounds of water, and 3,126 pounds of spare parts, experiment hardware, and other supplies for the station crew. At the time of its arrival, it was the Expedition 39 crew that was back on April 9th. Again, now having been there for 3 months, it has been filled with trash and unneeded items aboard the space station. Now has departed from the station, clearing the way for the next Progress